Longer, leaner legs are in reach in 5 minutes a day. Plie your way through this bar workout for 5 minutes, 5 days a week to slim and strengthen your legs and glutes. Are you ready?
So we're going to begin standing. You will need a small ball, and we're going to first laterally rotate those legs. So we're going to turn out the toes, standing up in a nice, tall, pretty posture here. To get set up, you're going to find a little tuck of the pubic bone, just a little tilt here, and begin by bending those knees into a plie position. As you go down, think about the knees tracking the center of the feet, and think about your sit bones reaching towards the floor so that you can avoid hinging forward, and you're moving as though you're going between two panes of glass. So we'll be here, working those plies. And you can work your range of motion differently if this tends to bother your knees. Maybe just go down a little as opposed to making it very big. So first we're going to start holding onto this ball. You can just take it between your hands, set those shoulders, collarbones are nice and wide and abdominals engaged. Find that little tuck, and we're just going to begin little pulses here. Think about lifting an inch, lowering an inch. As you pulse, think about this being a push and a pull instead of a bounce. We never want to bounce into the joints. Just a nice little push and pull moving between your two panes of glass. We're going to continue here, nice small pulses. Just find that happy place while you pulse. Please begin to get a little warm. And then we're going to begin to add our arms using our ball. So as you pulse, continue going here, and now we're going to add a lift and a lower. Keep pulsing. Lift, keep the arms long. Lower, lift, and lower. Strong arms here. Lift and lower. Check in with your posture here. Abdominals are engaged. Chest stays lifted. Keep going. Should start to feel a little warm now. And now reverse your direction. Other way, and lower. Lift, and lower. Looking good. Lift, and lower. Keep checking in with that posture, and lower. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Two more. Lift, and lower, lift, and lower. Holding here. Now we're going to take it a little bit wider. Find your plie and lift one heel. Extend the arms and squeeze your ball and go back to those pulses. Tiny, tiny pulses. Keep breathing. Find that happy place. Push and pull, not a bounce. 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Lift the other heel and pulse. If it bothers you to lift the heel, keep those feet planted and keep pulsing. Those inner thighs should feel nice and warm. Don't forget to breathe. Squeezing that ball. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the heel and lengthen and plie. Lift, plie. Check in, make sure those knees are tracking the center of the feet and you're not rolling into the arches here. If you begin to feel problems with your knees, check your legs. 3, 2, 1. Hold your plie and now pulse in and out here. Engaging those glutes. Those legs have a little wobble, and work it going fast. Little pulses. Hold that plie. Keep holding. If holding the ball forward is getting too much on the arms, you can drop it and take the hands to the waist or to a chair in front of you. Keep going. Keep breathing. Should feel a nice burn here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lower and up. Lower. Go deeper if you can. Lower. Up. Lower. And reverse the ball. Other way. And lift. Liaise. Keep going. Check in with that posture. Chest stays lifted. Collarbones nice and wide here as you pass your ball. 5, 6, 7, reverse that ball. Keep those arms nice and long. 4, 3, 2, hold here on one, tiny pulses all the way to the end. Keep breathing, keep pulsing. Tiny, tiny, lift an inch, lower an inch. You're moving through those 2 panes of glass. And go ahead and lengthen those legs up. Rotate to parallel. You can kind of tap back and forth here if you need to. Good job. Got a nice burn on today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.